Make your mark. Take our lead.
Noticeable signs your furnace is dying include increased heating bills. A steady increase in your monthly heating bills is a sure sign your furnace is about to go, especially if you've kept up with professional maintenance and have sealed your air ducts. Unusual noises. Yellow burner flame. Dry, dusty indoor air.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Homeowners insurance covers built-in appliances, including your furnace and other parts of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, HVAC, when they are damaged by a covered loss. You also won't be covered for furnace replacement or repairs if it's damaged in an earthquake or flood.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Best gas furnace brands. Lennox. Unit price, $5,400. They have a 99A FUE model SLP99UH090XV60C that is even featured on Energy Star for most efficient furnaces. Train. Unit price, $4,500. Brood. Unit price, $4,400. American Standard. Unit price, $4,200. Carrier. Unit price, $3,900. Ream. Unit price, $2,800.
Take our lead.
Find a reliable transportation service. Find a heating and cooling system removal service or a hazardous removal company in your local phone book. Contact the contractor and schedule a day and time to have them come and remove your furnace, if possible.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.